this lesson, I want to show you how to add a spacer element. Now, the spacer element is great if you want to add space in between multiple elements as you see here. So let me show you how that works. So I'm going to click on add new element and we are going to locate the spacer. So you click on the spacer and you notice, now let's move this over here. Right now the pixel is the space that you want to put in between the items, so it's set to 10. I want you to watch as I raise or increase this number, what happens here. You notice that it's moving at the bottom. So I'm going to click here, apply. And I am going to, this is the spacer right now. I'm going to move this over and put it so it's more noticeable. So when it's right there, you don't really see it unless you put your mouse over it. So let's click to edit. Now you can be able to see a little better. So let me increase the number. You notice there's a space all the way and you can decrease the space. So this is a really great way if you're trying to put a space in between multiple elements, and you can just add it, increase the amount of space you need. You can do this whether it's vertical like this or horizontally with columns as I covered before. You can come here as always, check the background. You can change the color. If you want to add a color there, the hover color, you can change that to something else. When I put my mouse over that, you can come over to the border. If you want to add a border, let's activate this here. If you want to put a border, you can come and you can change the border type. Solid is black. You can change pretty much however you want that spacer to be. So you come through here and you go through different things that you like and just customize it. Now I'm not going through this now because I've already gone through over these in the previous lessons. So feel free to go through it and change it how you want it to be.